Zoom out a little bit. We want to start with what's given. What's given is 1.26 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. And then to convert atoms to moles, we can't convert atoms to grams right away. We have to go to moles. We divide by Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, always per 1 mole of aluminum sulfate. And then to get to grams of aluminum sulfate, we have to find the molar mass. So we have 2 aluminum, 3 sulfur, and 3 times 4 is 12 oxygens. Aluminum is 27 right off the periodic table. Sulfur is 32 and oxygen is 16. Multiply. So 2 times 27 is 54. 3 times 32 is 96. 12 times 16 is 192. Add them all up. We have 342 grams per 1 mole of aluminum sulfate. So now we set it all up. We take this number right here and put it, atoms cancel out, and then to cancel moles, so this is 1 mole goes on the bottom. 342 grams of aluminum sulfate. Moles cancel out, we end up with grams. So we take 1.26 EXP 23 times 342 divided by 6.02 EXP 23 equals. The answer is 71.58 grams of aluminum sulfate. Okay, that's number 1 on your practice quiz. Number 2, you can pause the video when you need to. We're going to do number 3 next. Number 3 is find the mass of 12 liters of chlorine at STP. So 12 liter, this number 3, 12 liters of chlorine at STP. Now right away at STP, 22.4 liters comes to mind per 1 mole, so the molar volume. And then we want to go to mass, which is grams, so we find the molar mass. There are 2 chlorines. Each chlorine is 35 right off the periodic table. So that's 70 grams per 1 mole of Cl2. And then we're ready to plug in the values. We start with 12 liters of Cl2 for 22.4 liters per 1 mole, so liters cancel out. And for every 1 mole of Cl2, we have 70 grams of Cl2. Moles cancel out. So we multiply everything on top. So we have 12 times 70 divided by 22.4 equals to 37.5 grams of Cl2. Okay, so STP, we know the values. The molar mass we have to look up from the periodic table. Okay, the next one we're going to do is number 5. What volume of 5 grams of CH4 at STP? So what volume? So we have 5 grams. CH4 at STP, and that's 22.4 liters per 1 mole. So when we want the volume, so grams, I can't go from grams to liters, so I have to convert that to moles first. I have 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. Hydrogen is 1, carbon is 12, so 12 plus 4 is 16 grams per 1 mole of CH4. We have our values, we're just ready to plug in. So we have 5 grams CH4. Molar mass is 16 grams per 1 mole of CH4. Grams cancel out. And for every 1 mole, there is 22.4 liters. Moles cancel out. Multiply everything on top. So 5 times 22.4 divided by 16 equals 7 liters of CH4. Okay. That's number 5. For number 8, we want to find the density of SO2. We want to find the density of this is number 8. SO2 at STP. Now STP is 22.4 liters per 1 mole. And we know that density is grams over liters. So to find grams, we have 1 sulfur, 2 oxygen times 16. Sulfur is 32 plus 32 is 64 grams per 1 mole. So now we're ready to plug in the value. Density of SO2 equals to, the density is grams per liter, so grams is 64 grams per 1 mole, and then liters is 22.4 liters per 1 mole because it's STP. Moles cancel out, and we end up with 64 grams per 22.4 liters. And when you divide 64 by 22.4, you get 2.86 grams per liter. Okay, hope that helps. Good luck.